So myself Nitish Kumar, uh, I am a mathematical scientist, and today I want to give one of the legendary answer of one of the legendary question of Indian Mathematical Olympiad 1988, question number 6, that is belongs to quadratic equation. And this beautiful day, here is my grandfather as Nana, and his name is Sri Nageshwar Prasad Yadav, and myself Nitish Kumar. And today one of the legendary person is with me, and the legendary question is with me. So today we will going to solve the answer of the legendary question of the quadratic equation. This question took me 6 months to solve in a very beautiful manner. And so today yes, the question. तो here is a International Mathematical Olympiad question 1988 in the question number 6. The question is, if AB belongs to natural number, prove that if AB plus 1 divides A square plus B square, then A square plus B square divided by A plus B plus 1 is a perfect square. So many of you have got the different solution from the different part of the world, but today I will produce one of the beautiful answer of this question. That is one of the hardest question of quadratic equation. So if we assume A and B be natural number, and in this question we will just make a substitution. If we put B is equal to A cube, so our expression A square plus B square by AB plus 1, just substitute B for A cube. So here we have A cube plus B square plus, here we just have A square plus A cube to the power whole square and A into A cube plus 1. We will just simplify this expression. We will just get that A square is common and 1 plus A to the power 4, and in denominator it is just A to the power 4 plus 1. We will just cancel out the above expression. We will get A square, which is a perfect square. And this is the one of the beautiful solution of this legendary question. And here we find that A square is equal to A square plus B square by AB plus 1. So A square plus B square by AB plus 1 and B, which is, this is what? This is just like a, and this expression becomes a square, and b becomes b we have assumed as a cube. So both the three expression are in GP with a common ratio a. So this legendary question has one more question, that is a square plus b square divided by ab plus 1 comma b is a are in GP, that is geometric progression. Metric progression. So if we use the concept of geometric mean, then what we the formula, that is if a comma a square plus b square divided by ab plus 1 comma b are in geometric progression GP, then a square plus b square by ab plus 1 is equal to root under ab. If we square both sides, then we will get a square plus b square by ab plus 1 का whole square is equal to ab. So both sides we will just take minus one side, minus 1, so what will we become? A square plus b square whole square by ab plus 1 का whole square minus 1, so we will also minus 1 in the right side also, ab minus 1. Here it is very clear, just use it. So what we will got? A square plus b square का whole square divided by ab plus 1 का whole square minus ab plus 1 का whole square, this is equal to ab minus 1. So what we will got after? To just apply a square minus b square form, so what we will get? A square plus b square plus ab plus 1 a square plus b square minus ab minus 1 divided by ab plus 1 का whole square, this is equal to ab minus 1. We will just multiply a square plus b square plus ab plus 1 square plus b square minus ab minus 1 to ab plus 1. So one of the ab plus 1 is multiplied in right side, ab minus 1 and ab plus 1. So what we will get? So ab whole square minus 1 is equal to a square plus b square plus ab plus 1 a square plus b square minus ab minus 1 divided by ab plus 1. So ab whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus ab plus 1 and a square plus b square minus ab minus 1 divided by ab plus 1, and this minus 1 will transform into plus 1 in right hand side. So this legendary question, that let AB has many legendary question. So because we have got solution also, and one of the research, that is a comma this expression are in geometric progression, and here is the legendary question. So this expression is also a square. So one legendary question has many legendary question. So this question is is really a mathematical research question which after 32 years I solved in just 6 months. So we must first of all I am very thankful to all the mathematicians who are watching me, and all the mathematical society. So this is the answer of the one of the legendary question in the history of mathematics. So thank you everybody.